Kim, and finally, I am here with the drawing for the winners for the YouTube hop for Angeldreamcrafts' second birthday on Etsy. I am very excited. It took me a while to go through everything, and some people didn't comment on everybody's videos, and there were some people who weren't eligible, my designers, for example, so I take their comments out. But I finally have got the ones that commented on everybody's videos, and I'm excited to draw the winner. So if you want to see the prizes again, go to the YouTube hop video. I show the prizes there. And you can see the first thing I'm going to be drawing for is the doily book. So whoever gets that will be the first winner, and I'm going to write, let me get a pen here, doily book on their paper. And then the second thing I'm drawing for is the tote bag with $50 worth of yummy store goodies and stuff from my hoard vault and just good stuff. So that'll all be in there. And the winner of the good stuff and the tote bag, the stuff from the store, I need you to contact me and let me know kind of what things you're looking for, colors, things like that. But when you contact me, I'll just ask you those questions. So here we go. I've got everybody's names in here, and I will show you after I pull everybody's name out that everybody is indeed in here. And I'm going to shake them up. I cannot see. I'm going to stir them. I'm not looking. And now I'm going to pull this one. This is for the doily book. So let's see who this is. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it? Jenny June Moonwalker. You are the winner of the doily book. So I need you to contact me. You can get a hold of me on Facebook. You can message me at the store on Etsy. All my information is in the description box below. You can email me, however you want to contact me. I need you to contact me, but you are the winner of the doily book. So I'm just going to write on here, doily book. Doily book. So congratulations to you. And I believe you're a new subscriber too. So that's the winner. And thank you so much for your comment and for playing along. I appreciate it. Now we're going to draw for the $50 goodies in the tote bag. This is kind of the grand prize, really. Let's see who it will be. I got nothing in my hand. Let's do this one. The winner of the doily book, or pardon me, of the $50 is Wendy Kaminsky. Congratulations, 2 years on your shop. Gorgeous prizes. Wendy, you've won the $50 goodie bag, tote bag with goodies in it. So if you could please contact me. Again, my information is in the description box below. So let me just write on here, tote bag, bag and goodies. So those are the two winners, and I want to thank everybody who joined in, and I will show you that everybody was in here. I like to do that. There's Ivy, Leanne Gordon, Hero Blues, Shabby Chic Rosebud. So you can see everybody's in here. Everybody in here. And I'm going to, there's Handmade by Deanna Marie. I am going to be doing another giveaway and probably a challenge soon. I know I've been threatening that for a while, but I am going to do it soon because I'm really close to 6,000 subscribers. So I think I'm going to do something for that. Crafty Squirrel, I know her. That's Miss Shannon. So yeah, you can see that everybody's in here. There's Yvette, you know, Joanne Jackson. So yeah, you can see everybody's in here. I'm not going to pull out the rest of them. You can see that everybody had a fair shot. So these are the winners. The doily book goes to Jenny June Moonwalker and Wendy Kaminsky for the tote bag and goodies. So I need you both to contact me. My information, like I said, is in the description box below. Thank you everybody for all the support. My designers, for your amazing projects. You guys just blew me away. And for the continued support of my Etsy store. I so appreciate that. You know, we're growing by leaps and bounds, and for that I'm super happy. And there's going to be a ton of new stuff in the store very soon, so watch out for that. And I will see you guys soon. Congrats, guys. Make sure you contact me. Thanks. Bye.